Home Scar and Wrinkle Treatment. Just 2 ingredients. Environmental toxins, dehydration and continued exposure to the sun's UV rays can accelerate the skin's aging process, while also creating blemishes like wrinkles and scars. These are normal with the passage of time, but some people get them at even earlier ages because they don't take appropriate care of their skin. And even though a lot of people simply ignore them, your skin is delicate and it needs special wrinkle treatment in order to undergo the regenerative process. But fortunately you don't need to spend large sums of money on costly creams and treatments sold in stores. Thanks to the properties and some natural ingredients, you can make amazing homemade products for young, renewed skin. Below, we would like to share a special recipe with you. You only need 2 ingredients. Give it a try. Homemade Scar and Wrinkle Treatment. Although some skin marks are permanent, continuous use of this home treatment can help soften them. This recipe combines coconut oil with baking soda, which are 2 well-known ingredients for their uses in natural medicine, cosmetics and around the house. Coconut oil is made up of medium-chain fatty acids and antioxidants, which not only improve health but are also excellent allies for skin when applied topically. In fact, some people swear that it is the best natural moisturizer and is the best alternative for conventional body creams. These oily compounds help recover the skin's moisture without altering pH levels or creating too much oil. It contains antibacterial and antifungal substance, which help prevent skin infections and blemishes like acne. It's also a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that is well known for its ability to prevent and reduce premature wrinkles. Combining coconut oil with baking soda's exfoliant properties helps create a 100% natural anti-wrinkle treatment with several other benefits for skin. How to prepare this anti-scar and wrinkle treatment. Because both of these ingredients provide several benefits for skin, combining them can be used to treat wrinkles, scars, discoloration and other changes that you may consider anti-aesthetic. You absolutely must use organic coconut oil because refined versions do not contain the same nutritional quality, which therefore reduces their efficacy. Ingredients. Six and 1/2 tablespoons solid coconut oil, 100 grams. 4 tablespoons baking soda, 40 grams. 1 glass jar. Directions. Pour the coconut oil into the glass jar, then add the baking soda. Stir with a wooden spoon, making sure that everything is well blended. If you would like, you can add a few drops of vitamin E oil to aid preservation. Close the jar and store in a cool, dry place. In good conditions, this can last up to 3 months. Application method. Wash your entire face with warm water and a neutral soap. Make sure there is no makeup on your face, then apply the treatment. Use the necessary amount, Massage it onto your face in a circular motion, then allow it to set for 15 to 20 minutes. If you like, you can also apply it to your neck and collar area, which are two areas that are often forgotten. After the recommended period of time, rinse with warm water and dry with a soft cloth. Apply 3 or 4 times a week, preferably at night. Keep in mind, this simple remedy is not a miracle formula, nor is it 100% effective against wrinkles. Applying it helps accelerate skin regeneration and reduces imperfections. It is therefore important that you remember that these effects depend on your skin type and lifestyle habits. Daily water consumption and consuming antioxidant foods is important during the treatment of wrinkles and scars. You should also remember that it's important to use sunscreen, even on cloudy days. Although these measures may seem irrelevant, they are determinant in preserving healthy, unaltered skin. So go ahead and get started making this wrinkle treatment. You will soon find out that you don't need to spend much money to have radiant skin.